If you are looking for how to make money online by self-publishing books on Amazon, then this video is for you. My name is Benedict and I've been publishing books on Amazon for over 3 years now. By the end of this video, you are going to learn what is Amazon KDP, types of books you can publish on Amazon KDP, steps to publishing on Amazon KDP, how to make sales on Amazon KDP, and common mistakes to avoid as a beginner on Amazon KDP. First of all, what is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP, that is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, is a publishing platform that allows you to publish books and sell them worldwide on Amazon. Whether you want to publish ebooks, paperbacks, or even hardcovers, KDP gives you the tools to do it without you paying anything. There are types of books you can publish on KDP. The first one is fiction, like normal storybooks, novels, short stories, and all that. Then non-fiction, we have self-helps, business guides, and cookbooks. Low-content books like journals, notebooks, planners. We have children books, like illustrations for kids. We have workbook and activity books, like puzzle books and coloring books. You should note that you should pick any niche that you enjoy and has a lot of demand. Don't just rush into anyhow niche like that. Steps to publishing on Amazon KDP. Publishing on Amazon KDP is really a simple process. It's not that complicated. Step 1, you should create your manuscript. You can use softwares like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. If you are making books on low content, you can use Canva. Then step 2 is format your book. Step 3 is to design your cover. One thing you should know is that on Amazon, we judge book by its cover. Then you can use free tools like Canva to create your book, or you can hire a professional like me or someone from Fiverr or Upwork to create that one for you. Then the other step now is to upload your book on KDP. To do that, you have to create an account. You can go to kdp.amazon.com. Then enter your book details, upload your manuscript and cover, then set a price. Then you hit that publish button, and that is it. Then you should know that it's not just publishing books. After you upload your book and your book goes live, you also need to make money, and that is what this part covers. That is how to make sales on KDP. The first thing is your keyword research. You should know the keyword that your customers are going to search for. The next one is optimize your book listing. That is, write compelling titles, like titles that grabs attention, the description, and also choose the right categories. Then the next one is to run Amazon ad. That is, if you have money, you can run ads. But if you don't have money as a beginner, you can avoid this part. Then the last but not the least is using social media. That if you have TikTok accounts, YouTube, Instagram, you can advertise your book there. Then these are common mistakes you should avoid. Number 1 is publishing on an oversaturated niche. You should know that you are in KDP to make money, you get. So you cannot start going to niche that's already oversaturated. Like if you just search it, you see like 6,000 results. It's crazy. Like, don't just go into there. You go to niche that people are not really writing on and that have high demand. That is why you should research the market before choosing a topic. Another mistake that most people do is they use copyrighted images. There was a time in one of my videos I talked about how one of my accounts was terminated when I first started this KDP. You get, and that was because I used some copyrighted items without knowing. Then the third one is skipping book formatting. You should make sure you take your time to format your book, because if you do nonsense, you also receive nonsense. Then the last one but not the least is not promoting your book. Just uploading is not enough. You need to market your book, you get. Then you should note that Amazon KDP takes time to learn. It's not a day job. Then that is everything you need to know about getting started with Amazon KDP. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on Amazon KDP. If you have any questions, do well to drop them in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.